Hello there, today I will show you how you can use mail merge in Microsoft Word. Here is the example of some certificates I have created for the demo purposes here. Alright, here is the certificate and here is the attendance. I have created same certificate for 20 students or 20 participants. For this purpose, I have already created one Microsoft Excel sheet here, and it contains the name of the candidates and the certificate's name. First 10 students completed UX design course and other 10 completed UI design course. So I have created certificate for each student in Microsoft Word, and now I will show you how you can do the same. So I will create new document here. Now I will set the layout. I will choose the landscape orientation, and now I will choose the size A4 size. Okay, I have downloaded this certificate image from freepik.com. I will mention the link in the description. I will choose the wrap properties behind the text. And drag it to fit this page. Okay, now I will add text box here. First text box will be for names. This one I will choose Great Vibes font. I will choose 36 font size, and color I will choose this blue color here. Okay, here the name will show. No outline and no fill colors. Now one more time I will draw text box here. This text box will be for the certificate's name. Similar, no fill and no outline. And for this one I will choose Roboto font, and I will choose 22 font size. I will choose the same colors here. Okay, now I will go to this mailings and now start mail merge, step by step mail merge wizard. And now I will choose this one. Okay, here browse the list. I will choose this names Excel file. I will choose this address and I will select this names. Okay, press OK. sheet 1. I have only one sheet in the Excel file, so I will choose OK. And now I can choose manually all the names, which names I want to include in this one, and which press OK. Now I will choose the name of the student from my Excel sheet. So I will select this and press Ctrl A to select all this one text. And now I will choose the more items and I will choose this full name, and I will close this one. And now same to this one, more items and certificates. This full name and the certificates is showing from this top column name here, full name and certificate. Okay, so this one I will close this one. Now I can print this one as a PDF. I can print all or or I can print specific one. Okay, so here is the PDF document. It contains all the 20 names from my Excel sheet, and now I have created 20 records here. Now you can see, and now see UI design from 10 to 11 to 20. Okay, so if you want to edit individual records in the Word itself, you can now select this one, edit individual documents. Okay, you can create this one. See, you can now edit individual names from this. For example, I want to say that this name, so now I can save as Word document for my future edits, or I can save it as PDF. And like this I can save. See all the names and for individual. Now I can manually print this one by Control P, or I can share it with the students one by one. Alright, so guys, here is the final output. Let me know in the comments how you find this tutorial, and let me know if you need any help in designing certificates like this or any other design. Please watch my other design tutorial in this channel, and do subscribe my channel and share it with your friends and colleagues who want to learn about designing. And thank you very much for your time. Have a great day. Bye.